Derivatives trading is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results.
Hey traders, in this video we'll go over how to draw TPO and volume profiles on your charts in EdgeProX. To start, click on the components icon in your toolbar or use the keyboard shortcut Alt-C. This will open up the components sidebar, which houses various tools and indicators. Click on the volume profile icon and drag it onto your chart. To adjust the settings of the drawing, double-click on it and adjust the settings as needed. You can then adjust the size of the drawing by clicking and dragging the scale adjustment nodes located around the drawing. In settings, you can have the profile snap to one side of the screen or the other. In this example, we've adjusted the chart range and then scaled the volume profile using the scaling nodes. To add a TPO drawing to your chart, simply follow the same steps as you did for the volume profile chart drawing.